gosh, maybe that one too. It looks so sick. Yay!
With you, there's no